If your brain feels scattered, it might not be a willpower problem. It might be a visual problem. Our attention system is constantly negotiating with what we can see. Every object, icon, color, and notification competes for a slice of your working memory. Here we run a simple visual hygiene protocol to subtract noise, lower cognitive load, and restore focus, without caffeine, gimmicks, or fancy gear. First, define the target. Focus is not a heroic mood, it's a low-friction environment plus a clear task. Visual hygiene is the practice of removing non-relevant stimuli from your field of view, so your prefrontal cortex isn't micro-switching every few seconds. Think of it like cleaning a camera lens. Fewer smudges, clearer shot. Here's the protocol. Try it for 1 week. Step 1. Clear the frame. Sit where you'll work. Everything you can see that does not support your current task goes out of frame, not off the desk, out of sight. That includes secondary devices, extra mugs, cables, sticky notes, and open books. If you need it later, keep it in a drawer or behind you. The goal is a single focal plane, keyboard, screen, and one notepad. Step 2. Tame the screen. Your desktop wallpaper should be low complexity, solid color, or subtle gradient. Hide desktop icons. Use a single window view when possible. If you need references, park them on a separate monitor or virtual desktop and switch intentionally. Full screen your active app. Turn off dynamic wallpapers and bouncing dock taskbar indicators. Step 3. Reduce chromatic noise. High saturation colors yank attention. Prefer neutral tones for peripherals and accessories. Keep accent colors only for items that matter, e.g., the timer you actually use. If you're using sticky notes, one color only. Step 4. Kill micro motion. Motion is a primal interrupt. Disable animated notifications, auto-playing videos, and live tiles. Put your phone face down outside your peripheral vision. If possible, put it behind you. Even a black slab in the corner of your eye is a drip of cognitive load. Step 5. Fix the light and glare. Glare equals squinting, which equals fatigue. Angle your monitor to avoid reflections. Use matte screen covers if needed. Daytime. Cooler light is fine. Late day deep work. Warmer 2700, 3000 K to reduce harshness. The rule is simple. Light the work, not the room. Step 6. Add one anchor of calm, a small plant, a matte wood texture, or a single framed image with low detail. 1. This is your visual home base that stabilizes the scene without adding clutter. Now measure it. Before you start, do a 5-minute typing accuracy test or a 10-minute reading comprehension passage. Log time to first distraction, and give yourself a focus rating from 1 to 10 after each session. Repeat the same measures after implementing the protocol. Most people see faster ramp-up times and fewer tab flits within 48 hours. Make the environment the easy choice. Subtract the noise, and your brain's best focus shows up by default. Try this for a week, measure honestly, and keep only what proves it earns its place in your frame.